Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the wallpaper on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to do that, on the home screen we need to simply press and hold with your finger anywhere where you have empty space. So let's press and hold, and there we go. We should open these options. Now let's go to wallpapers, and now over here at the top we have two options. We can change the wallpaper for the lock screen or home screen. I'm gonna change for home screen. Over here we have change wallpaper option, and we can also adjust some colors, some accents over here if needed. But we're gonna change the wallpaper, so let's tap over here, change wallpaper. Now we have two options. We can use the on-device wallpapers, or if you have TikTok, you can also use live wallpapers. So I'm gonna use on-device, and over here we have some default wallpapers that we can use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one as an example, and there we go. This is how the home screen looks like, and this is how the lock screen looks like. So I'm gonna accept and save the changes by pressing this check over here, and then we can choose to set it to lock screen or home and lock screen. Now if we switch it like so, we still have the same option, so I'm gonna choose home and lock screen. And now we are saving the wallpaper, and there we go, wallpaper set successfully. So now if we close these options, as you can see, now I have a new wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.